Hi there, this is just a quick explainer video of how we get your data from whatever system you're using, whether it's a ticketing system or an invoicing system, into OpenInvoice. So we can work with Business Central 1, NetSuite, Xero, QuickBooks Online. If you use Excel for your tickets or invoice, we can work with that as well. We also integrate with Rigor. Or if you're simply creating PDFs of your invoices and tickets, we can pull the data out of that and then reformat that data to go into OpenInvoice, which is part of the Envious organization. So we make it really easy and really simple. All you do is we give you a unique email address. You simply email us the PDF and we extract the data and reformat it according to whatever your customer's requirements are in OpenInvoice and push it in with any supporting documentation. So we have a whole solution around that. There's not a particular problem we haven't been able to overcome, so please reach out and give us a call and tell us about the systems you're using, and we can tell you how we can go about making your OpenInvoice submissions automatic. Thank you very much.